Navigating postmenopause can be challenging, with fluctuating hormone levels leading to symptoms like hot flashes, fatigue, and mood swings. While hormone replacement therapy offers relief for some, many women seek natural solutions to manage these changes. One lesser-known yet powerful food that can support hormone health is maca root. Native to the Andes, maca has been used for centuries as a key remedy for hormone balance and overall vitality. Adaptogens, balancing hormones naturally. Maca is classified as an adaptogen, a type of herb that helps the body adapt to stress and maintain balance. Unlike synthetic hormones, maca doesn't contain estrogen or other hormones. Instead, it works by nourishing the endocrine system, helping to regulate hormone production. Studies have shown that maca may alleviate common postmenopausal symptoms like hot flashes, night sweats, and mood swings by promoting hormonal balance naturally. Boosting energy and reducing fatigue. One of the most reported benefits of maca is its ability to increase energy and reduce fatigue, common complaints among postmenopausal women. The root contains various vitamins and minerals, including iron, potassium, and B vitamins, which support energy production and combat feelings of sluggishness. Many women who consume maca report improved stamina and a greater sense of well-being. Supporting mental health and libido. Postmenopause can take a toll on mental health, with many women experiencing anxiety, depression, and decreased libido. Maca has been shown to improve mood and enhance sexual desire, making it a natural choice for those looking to boost their emotional and intimate well-being. Its mood-boosting effects are believed to stem from its ability to regulate cortisol levels, the hormone responsible for stress. Bone and heart health benefits. Postmenopausal women face increased risks of osteoporosis and cardiovascular disease. Maca contains calcium, magnesium, and potassium, which contribute to bone health and help maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Its antioxidant properties also protect the heart by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, which can contribute to heart disease. Easy ways to incorporate maca into your diet. Maca root is available in powder, capsule, or extract form. The powder has a mild, nutty flavor, making it easy to blend into smoothies, coffee, oatmeal, or baked goods. Start with a small dose, about 1 teaspoon per day, and gradually increase to 2 to 3 teaspoons as your body adjusts. While maca root is not a replacement for medical treatments, it offers a natural and effective way to support hormone health and overall well-being. Adding maca root to your daily regimen could be a game changer, offering postmenopausal women a natural pathway to hormone balance and vitality.